Hello guys, today I'm Ahmad Fatihan and my friend Muhammad Yusuf want to presenting about how to make your room comfortable during work from home. Okay, during pandemic, our activities mostly in the indoor area. This happens because our government had to prohibit many activities that requiring people gather like studying at school, shopping, shop at grocery market, work at office, or many activities. And the government had to do that in order to preventing the spread of COVID-19. The consequence of public activities prohibition by government is the activities I mentioned before turn to online based like we did now. We're studying at home. I know it sucks. There are many uniques in activities from home, like parents asking help to their child in the middle of their class, pet who bother us in the middle of presentation, and the gadget suddenly off, turning off because we forget to charge it. And now me and my friends want to share how to make your workroom comfort during work from home. Let's go!
First, the introduction. Why do we need a working space at home? And what is the prayer for make a working space at home? And are making a working space at home important? So, why you need a working space at home? It's because in this modern and fast era, you need a place where you can focus on your work at home. Moreover, you need a place at home where you can productively finish your work. When you want to make a working space, you have to remember that it is not only providing some empty space which you can modify into a working space. It is also a matter of whether the place is appropriate for working or not. Thus, you need to be cautious and be a detail-oriented person in order to make a working space at home. And another strong reason why you need a working space at home is because we are currently facing a pandemic. This means that we can engage direct activities with other people, which also includes the establishment of working from home. This doesn't mean that you can slack off or relaxing when you have work to do, since the workload for all of you is still the same as when you work from office. Thus, you really need a working space at home, and you can consider some aspect in creating a working space at your house. And next,
Okay, this is a thing that you must be considering to create a tidy room during work from home. Okay,
one, room tidiness, clean and tidy is the key. Why? An aspect which you need to remember when you want to make a working space at home is the tightness of your room or space. This includes whether the space which you want to modify into a working space is clean and tidy or not. There are some words of ways which you can take into mind, which is I can say a clean and tidy room is an implementation of a peace of mind. This means that if you have a clean and tidy room, you can be more productive and focus in finishing your work. Next.
Okay, the next thing is room brightness. Uh, this is the other thing you must watch if you want to make a comfort room for work from home is the brightness of the room. Because because if your room looks gloomy, you cannot give your 100% performance optimally and it might causing your eyes extremely tired due to lack of brightness. Asking you to put a 10 volt light bulb because this kind of light bulb is bright enough to shine your entire room. Therefore, you don't need to buy a light ring because your room is bright if you put the 10 volt light bulb. Okay,
And three, room vibes. You should think about the second choose. Then you can choose them both. Well, first, make you focus, and two, make you comfort. Um, Another step you can follow when you want to make a working space is choosing your working spot. When you want to choose a working spot, please bear in mind that firstly, you should choose a place where you can focus. There are some space in your own room where you can be more focused or be more productive. If you have one, you can make that spot your working space. If not, you can make one. If you want to make a working space, you need to consider several aspects such and the humidity and the temperature of your room. The next step is that you have to choose a spot where you can be comfortable. This can lead you to be more productive. If you already have a spot where you can be more comfortable while working, that is good. But if you don't have a place where you can be comfortable while working, you can make a comfortable spot by moving a furniture to your working spot from another room in your home. For instance, you can move a comfortable chair for you to sit when you are working at your working spot. By doing this, you can be more comfortable when you have something to do at your working spot. Choose a furniture which comfort you the most. Next.
the last thing you need to consider is the signal strength. During online activities like work from home or school from home, signal strength is so crucial because if you didn't have enough signal in your workspace, your Zoom meeting or something else didn't work perfectly. So, I suggesting that you have to put your workroom in the place who have good signal, like at the top floor of your house, or simply just don't make it in the basement of your home. Okay,
So our conclusion about this topic is, in short, making a working space in your home is really neat. If you are stuck to work from home, you can easily make a comfortable working space by considering several aspects, such as room tidiness, room brightness, choosing the best working spot, and spot where you can get a lot of internet signal. If you follow the steps, you can make a very nice, comfortable, and productivity working space. Yes, that's the all information we can pass on to all of you. Uh, I'm sorry if we
make a
make a mistake word or something like that. Thanks for watching. If you have some question, please drop your question in.
in the comment section. Okay,
Yes.
thank you for watching. Have a good
Thank
day.
you for watching. Have a good day.